This computer only costed me $3. No, it really did only cost me $3 and some change. And it even came with its original accessories and a 17-inch Dell monitor. So how I did it, you may ask? Well, I'll tell you after today's video sponsor. There's no video sponsor, I'm just kidding. Now you might be wondering how I was able to do this, and I'll tell you. And I actually got this thing at an estate sale. However, this estate sale was run a little bit differently. Basically, instead of you going to the house and viewing the items and buying them there, basically they posted pictures of the items online, and then you bid on the items online, and then you go and pick them up if you win. The starting bid for this computer was $2. I put in a bid of $3, and I ended up winning it. So what are the specifications of this $3 computer? Well, the base system is a Dell Dimension E310, and it came with a Pentium 4 524 3GHz processor. Not very fast, but I'm pretty sure this processor is worth more than $3. It also came with 1GB of DDR2 RAM, an 80GB Hitachi Desktop hard drive, which just sounds incredible on startup, and it also came with integrated Intel graphics. I don't know which ones exactly are, but there's some variant of the GMA graphics, which aren't very good. However, adding a graphics card to this system might be a little complicated, as it only has a PCI Express times 1 slot and 2 PCI slots. If you know any good PCI or PCIe times 1 graphics cards that would work well with this system, leave them in the comments down below, and as long as they're not super expensive, I may consider upgrading this computer. So now that you know the specifications of the computer, let's go ahead and hook it up to my test bench and power it on and boot into the nostalgic for some people Windows XP. As I'm recording this voiceover, I tried to buy an RTX 3060, and I got into the card, but as soon as I clicked proceed to checkout, it was no longer in stock. So now I'm a little upset. But anyways, now that we're in Windows XP, we can now see what you can even use this computer for in 2021. So, using a special version of Firefox, I tried to browse the web, and if you're patient, you can Google stuff like I Googled Fortnite, which is a dying game, and I tried to search up some stuff on eBay, and it's not terribly slow, but it's definitely not ideal, and it's definitely a very laggy experience, although that shouldn't be much of a surprise. YouTube on this thing surprised me, as it was able to do 360p YouTube with almost no stuttering whatsoever. 40p and higher just was an absolute stuttering mess, but I was surprised that it could do 360p. So, what's it like gaming on this thing, considering that the Intel graphics are just the most stable graphics ever made for Windows XP? I think we can have a pretty good experience here for $3. So yes, I only technically tested 2 games in this computer, and I have a good excuse. The reason is because, I don't know if it was the ISOs or what, but like most of the games that I burned to DVDs, no, it just didn't work. Like I tried GTA Vice City, GTA San Andreas, Crysis. I've tried all of them. Maybe if I get some different ISOs, I can try it in the future if I really want to. But yeah, so this is a look at a $3 computer that came with all of its original accessories and a monitor. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Upload's been a little weak. So yeah, I have some interesting things coming soon, and I'll see you guys next time.